Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we're gonna install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2017 BMW X1. The unit we are using for 2016 and 17 is the same unit. Most of these BMW X1s, they come with this tiny screen with the iDrive knob. So I'm gonna come back and show you how it's gonna look like after installation. That's how the main menu looks like. And the car doesn't come with any navigation, only it comes with backup camera. So I come back shortly and I show you how the unit looks like after installation. So right now our screen is installed. You can see it's perfectly fine. There is no cutting or any modifications to the dash, and 10.25-inch Android screen fits perfectly fine on that spot. And by clicking on car, you can go back to the factory mode, so nothing is changed. You can see all the features are there, and by holding the menu button we can go to the aftermarket mode. So we have a lot of videos that how our unit functions and how they work. I just want to show you the wireless Android Auto with Samsung phones by going to Z-Link. There we go. That's the wireless Android Auto. We can still use the knob. Like I can play music, I can't play for long, just for short time because of copyright. Or we can use the touch screen. Hey Google, go to closest gas station.
Navigating to Petro-Canada.
So right away it switches.
Head southeast toward
the music
Conrad
goes
Crescent.
on right hand side, and the Google Maps goes to the basically main screen. So it's like a split screen between the music on Android Auto and also the maps. You have the two function on the same page. If you're interested to get this type of Android screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online. We ship all over the world. You can go to 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.